In this lesson, let's install Kibana on our machine. Okay, so let's open the terminal, go to user local, and just download it using wget. And here's the link you can use. If you want to use a newer version, you can also download it directly from their website. Okay, so just download it. All right, so now it's downloading this tool on my machine. Okay. All right, so next we need to untar this as it's a tar file. Okay. Now once you have this file extracted, you can rename it to something simple as Kibana, and then like we did in previous exercises, we are going to do some configuration. We are going to update bash RC file, and we are going to update one configuration file inside Kibana also, so that it can connect to Elasticsearch server. Okay, so let's do that in our next exercise. I already have this renamed, so go ahead, rename it on your machine, and then I'll see you in the next class.